What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to what should be a very good, interesting video, because we are going to be showing you guys Houston's coffee and cars, along with going on a cruise with Sinclair folks. So I had recorded the whole intro with going to the gas station and doing all this, but my camera's audio was killed and it didn't work. It started working halfway through the day, so what I'm going to do today right now is actually cut to some footage of the cars that were at Cars and Coffee, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you comment down below, let me know which one of the ones that you guys see is the one that you like the most. There were some really unique, awesome cars, and halfway through the day the video started working, or the audio started working. So that's when I'll cut back to it. But for now, enjoy all of these cars. Hope you guys like that. We're now getting into the exotics. I mean, check that out. Woo. GT3 RS 997 generation. Now, these are some gems, guys. Check out this Ferrari here, and then we've got, looks like Maserati on that side. Wow. Honestly, don't know what either one of these cars are. If you guys know what cars these are, let me know. Love the wrap. I believe this is a 570, but definitely gone all out, guys. Check it out. Look at this rear piece here. Actually have air intake scoops on the backside and the center exit exhaust, similar to a 600 LT. Got the massive wing. I mean, she's without fear. Follow them. This is sick. 570, but basically almost like a 600 LT. Got the 720S Spider. Actually, first time I see one of these. This one's got the carbon hood, carbon pits on the side. Love this blue. Carbon mirrors, and then of course carbon yellow interior. But this is pretty cool, guys. If you guys don't know, this is actually clear glass right here, so that the driver can see through it to get into his blind spots. That's really awesome. Kind of can, your hands go right through, if you can see that. So you can see on either end going through. Pretty nice spec. Got a lot of carbon fiber wing. Really nice. Check that back end out. Imagine if the Corvette came something like this. Whew. And we got a 600 LT in the Lantana purple, I believe. And This one's got, of course, you guys know the center exit exhaust. Needs to have a different texture. Non-carbon. This is a, doesn't look like it's got the carbon fiber package, but still looks really dope. I mean, look the vents, carbon fiber vents. That's about the only thing that's carbon fiber on this thing. Here we've got one with the carbon fiber, and you get the exposed carbon here, carbon mirrors, carbon door cards, carbon full roof, exposed roof, carbon rear piece, carbon wing, which looks really nice, and then of course you get the carbon rear hole diffuser. So we got a Performante, and you know these have the forged carbon. These are really nice. Maserati, and check out this beautiful Miami blue, I believe Miami blue GT3 RS with the full carbon. Really nice. Carbon mirrors, exposed carbon roof. Beautiful. And then for those that know, you know. Super Saiyan blue. Love it. Got the Supras out, and of course the brand new Mark V Supra, guys. Woo. Check this out. That is really interesting. The car, it's actually a little bigger than I thought. Now that I'm seeing it in person, a little bigger. We got the red interior, very BMW-ish, but a lot of carbon fiber. The door card looks like it's just like a glued-on panel to keep getting this wider. And then of course you guys see the tail lights. Doesn't look too bad. Got two Mercies here. One is a manual, 6-speed gated manual, and the other one's an E-gear. But man, still give you such a presence. It is very imposing, that's for sure. Alright guys, Cars and Coffee is done. As you guys can see, it's pretty much parking lot is empty. So now we're about to roll out to the Sinclair Photos rally to Galveston. See you guys when we get there. Alright guys, check it out. Getting here a little early. We got Sinclair Photos with his hoopty. And of course, we've got our shirt. Sinclair's Photo Rally shirt. And we've also got the sticker, which I think is going to go perfect with the whole theme of black and white. What do you guys think? Put one right there? Definitely going to be putting this on. Let me know in the comments down below where I should put it. On the side, back here in the corner, on the car. Comment down below. Alright guys, got a few more cars showing up. 1LEs, we got Stock Boys, right? Stock Boys, we got Stock Boys is Genesis. We got Is a Slow Z with his fire flame shooting Nissan 350Z or 370C, sorry. Of course, we got me. We got the Hoopty, a few other cars. So a few more cars will be coming up, and when we roll out, we'll make sure to get some good footage for you guys. All right, let's roll out. Actually, gonna get a water. Get a water.
Just in case I need to call
you.
you.
Sinclair's got it hooked up when he does his rallies. You even get yourself hydrated. So we're about to head out, roll out. Got about a few cars in SS. We've got ZL1, some 370Zs, GTIs, G8s, and of course the Hoopty. So should be a fun. We're gonna end up going through a tunnel, so stay tuned for that and how those sounds. Should be awesome. There's a little confusion with where the route was going and where some stuff was. So we ended up being the only ones coming out to the tunnel. So you guys will get to hear this bad boy in a tunnel. I'll make sure to get the windows down and give it just a little bit. This car is really loud, so it doesn't need that much. Here it is. Get ready. Alright guys, so after the tunnel I ended up having to cut this a little short. So AJ, thanks again for doing this. A little confusion here and there, it's all good, but we'll definitely do it again next time for sure. But we're back home, had a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed the cars and the tunnel run, all that. But anyways guys, if you again like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.